Oops. Whoa, foggy. You know it's a problem when I'm the one that's here early. How's everything? I'm gonna put this herb on the spot. First of all, he's late. How does a Jamaican beat you to the shop? Second of all, they're whipping it on public streets. What are you doing, Carl? And you and your friend, you look like clones. Let's put this guy on the spot, bro. Hey, Carl!
Oh, God.
Hey, Carl! Hey, man! 7:30 looks... Is that beer, Carl?
No, it's not. What is this?
7:30 looks really different, Carl.
It's not 7. It's 8:30.
Yeah, exactly. You're worse than Jamaican time, bro. This guy, bro, like, we're at Miami Z Parks because, you know, I'm doing things to my car that I hate. This freaking guy, he was supposed to be here at 7:30. He's the one that set the plan for 7:30, not even me.
Tell me you haven't been here since 7:30.
No, he was smart. He came on time. We're doing things in my car that I don't want to do, but kind of have to. I know. Yeah, because he wants to be all secretive.
Nothing's a secret with him, man.
You can't. It's on camera, bro.
I'm not gonna pop my trunk.
What's going on? I won't even say out of respect, even though he made me get here.
I appreciate it.
Appreciate what? Getting here on time? That whole bag of goodies in my car is a bunch of trash. I actually have 2 things of crap in here, and it's all factory items, which factory just means everything that I'm doing in my car right now is like, I absolutely hate it, bro. Like, I can't stand driving this car, but it's all... it's just patience, man. So just hold on, let's get started because I want to get out of here fast. Got a birthday to get to, and then we'll show Carl getting here on time. All right, bro. What up? Super clean, bro. Look, I like these headlights so much. This is different. I was telling him I haven't seen these before until Mia threw a month ago. Carl, you've had this car for what? 2 weeks, Mr. I'ma stay stock.
Not even.
This doesn't look stock, bro. I can't film what's on the right side. I have to be like this.
Exactly. Thank you. See, I appreciate you. I really appreciate
Carl,
it.
how long do you think we're gonna take?
For what? To remove your thingy?
Both. Yeah.
Oh, the other is on Vic, but your I put them on, so I think they'll come out pretty easy.
Oh, because like, they weren't tight? Oh, I had to do it. I had to do it. I had to do it. I'm sorry.
That's it. I'm done. I'm done.
All right, bye. You pack it up. Bye.
Carl is deceased.
Yeah, you said it, so now it's on camera. Where I'll bleep it out. But Carl.
Wait, when is this video being posted?
It's Monday.
That's so soon.
So what, you trying to cup these wheels or what? I've had 3 people.
Off the record.
Okay,
Off the record.
Let me turn off the camera. Dang, Carl, looking hella thick.
What? Get away from me.
It always looks weird to see my car like monster trucking like that. It looks like a Hot Wheel. It literally looks like I ran you over, fam.
I'm dead.
You know, literally, it looks like you're dead, bro.
Wait,
Go hit it. Oh, he's dead. Hey, what are these? Those fast 11s, bro? Dang.
Yo, hey, those are my goddamn, man.
Wow.
Fucking me up.
Yeah, this boy got them Harriet Tubman 12. Oh, Jesus. Wow, bro. Bro, first of all, I'm gonna get started on my roast. Are you ready?
Yeah.
First of all, no, I'm not. Dude, that looks clean. Okay, all right, that's the only compliment. Are you ready? Yo, Chris wants to be like me so fucking hard, bro. Look at this, dude.
Yo, let's repaint it and then you sign it. How about that?
How about you give me yours? Oh wait, you got. How about you give me yours and I'll give you mine?
Let's do it.
I wish, bro.
We'll swap right now.
Oh, you got the same plate as me and everything too, bro. Yo, all right, you got good taste. That's all it
Let's
is.
see the OG. Hold on, my trunk is a mess.
All right. Oh, I missed my single exit though.
ISR.
Oh.
Hey, you want a resonator?
Bro.
OG, bro.
Oh, dang. Okay, he's a real true fan, bro. The whole point of doing all this is just that. You like how I flipped it? Whoa, I almost ate crap. I almost slipped on a lighter. The whole reason why I'm doing all of this, going back to stock, is just because you guys already know I'm doing the VR30 swap, but I'm trying not to come out of pocket as much. I'm even willing to sell my Nismo wheels, and that's something that, like, it kind of hurts. Like, I wanted those wheels so bad for so long. Ask him. I've been asking for Nismo wheels for so long. So it's one of those things where I'm like, I really don't want to spend anything out of pocket to buy the motor, but everything else, like labor-wise, because I don't know how to do this myself. I can't. Vic's gonna help me. I just want to pay only for that. Maybe get some help from companies or whatever, but yeah, Chris's look clean though. Hey, look, Nor gang, bro. See, we're all black here.
Let's do it, bro. Give me a sticker.
You know what's funny? I have. I'll give you a sticker, bro. Look how.
You said we're all black here.
Yeah, well, I mean, you're wearing a black shirt. Filming. Hey, those are some genuine Haitian balls, baby. Carl, I'm not leaving you. I'm just going towards the AC. Because Vic has AC now, and there is no reason to be out there anymore.
We're not even test fitting the intakes in there.
Bro, I had to go.
He shows up with the PCB delete in his hands instead of on the car, okay? And what's the last thing that we had
But
to
did
do
I
with?
tune though?
You did too.
Did I tune though?
Okay, thanks to who though?
Okay, but did I tune? She's like, yo, we're not gonna let Carl just straight disrespect, man. Nah, hell no. Yo, this guy's talking about, oh, you came with the bumper. I didn't even come with the bumper there.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
All I remember was that you were unprepared.
Well, you know what I remember?
What?
Is that you're late. I got here at 7:30. Alright, so Vic pointed out and he handed it to you. I stole it just so I had to put it on camera. What should you do to your G? You said you were gonna stay stock. How did that go?
Not too well.
Okay, so you know what's next?
What?
Just do it.
Why y'all doing this?
Just do it,
Why y'all
bro.
doing this?
But this, Vic, that's your kit, right?
Yeah.
Brother, twin turbos, baby.
How much would that cost, bro? For real?
No.
Stop recording. Stop recording.
Oh my God. All right.
Stop recording.
Whatever, they just want to talk about secret stuff, but
Listen.
whatever. So we're gonna get rid of these intakes. Yeah, right? Okay. Damn, why you gotta put them on blast like that, bro? Like, well, can't hit it from the back.
Hey, he said it, not me.
Go back to the factory air boxes, and right now I'm getting rid of these. So I'm not even gonna run this car that hard anymore. There's no point. It doesn't even make noises, bro.
The only two stuff he's hearing is me stepping on his damn.
Why you gotta rank? Why you gotta kick me when I'm down, bro?
Hey, how many times I suffered from that?
You never suffer. You're always taking W's. You kept up with an M3.
Hey, you say you have only
Hey,
cash up, right?
chill now,
Yeah.
chill.
Garbage bag for the trash product.
I'm dead. That's an OEM. That's what I'm running right now.
Yeah, that's why it's in the trash bag. So everybody's like raping my car right now for parts. That's literally what's happening right now.
Not me though. I'm stopped.
Yeah, you're super stock. Yeah, if you're around Haitian people, never say coupe femme.
Hey, you're telling them again.
What do you mean, coupe femme?
No, bruh, just nothing. Just bleep it out.
And the funny part is you can't even Google it to find out what it means.
Exactly.
So now we are literally back to factory spec. I know I told you guys that I was gonna keep the Duckbill. I'm still 50-50. If I keep the Duckbill style, I'm gonna do something super wild. Jeez, there's like a million Z's popping up. I came out here to tell them that they can't do that, and that Vic was getting annoyed. And then as soon as I step outside,
He is spitting flames.
I'm telling him not to, and the first thing he's doing is just shooting flames. I came out here, and it's on video, to tell them not to do it, and the first thing they do, and they're still doing, shooting flames.
They got people coming out and everything.
Yeah.
Of course.
I'm not gonna lie. I heard you guys from like 3 blocks down, dude. It was dope. It sounds good. It sounds good. Just not in front of here. Right? So the whole time we're over here like arguing and stuff, and well, this is the point of the video.
Victor's putting work.
Yeah, we're getting stock cats. Hey, don't slap my merchandise, bro. Dang, bro. Hey, last time I did that, I had a baby, bro. Be careful.
Damn.
I'm giving the stock power now.
How heavy is this thing? One-handed power?
Oh, question. That's what I'm saying. You want my sensors? Or you want to keep one of
First
yours?
of all, look at this. What the hell, bro?
What? That's just tape, nigga. I mean,
Wow.
it's just tape. Is this tape? I don't know what that
That ghetto crap.
is. Hey.
There's something. No, there's just something that fell on it. But
Yeah.
Wow.
But listen. You missing my point. Do you want one of your sensors that you beat up and flamed on, or do you want 2 of these good sensors?
I'm gonna make you do double work and make you take off. I'm kidding, bro. It's fine. I don't care if it's not staying on.
No, just 'cause I don't want to take it off.
I'll leave it right here for now. You gonna start slapping those on?
What? The cat? Oh, I'm gonna shoot myself.
Turn it on.
Why is it so loud?
Carl, I need you to turn it on.
It's on.
Sounds good though.
It wasn't my car. Of course it does.
So finally, I waited 6 hours, Carl. 6 hours. 6 hours to put on stock cats. Not even to take them off, just But you know what? It's okay because you got waves though. Wait, do it again. Hey, sounds good, bro. Sounds good. You know what make it sound better? Okay. What? What's on the face?
What is it?
You should have got a Z. I love you, Carl. Bye.
Can't win, bro. Can't win.
I love how you have Z wheels and they tuck perfect on your car. They look harder on yours. Yeah, what? Yeah, no, yeah, I'm telling you, your G made me want to get one, dude. I've been here for so freaking long. It's time to go.
Time to go.
Yeah, it's time to go. All right, so Vic, you want to know the problem? I'm gonna start this car with open headers.
No, you're not. We're gonna push it in.
Oh, we're gonna push it in. Well, let's just start it. Don't you want to hear about open headers? See? Yeah. I'm trying to convince Vic to let me start my car with open headers.
There's no church nearby.
That's true.
Crank it up.
I'll finally sound like a V8, bro. Let me shine. All right. I'm gonna put you on camera duty then.
No, just put the camera next to the. Just put it right here. Look, right here is gonna capture everything. I promise.
That bad?
Yeah.
You know what? Then let's put it behind it. We gotta go full hand, bro. I'll just do a quick crank. Yo! Dude, I'm gonna leave it like that. It sounds cammed. What? That's awesome. Bro, I turned that crap off so fast. I got cams. So how are you leaving before me?
Because your car's about to go on the lift. And I apologize, it's my fault.
You hear this?
No, I'm sorry.
You should stay until we're done.
I should make you put these on.
Yeah, he was supposed to put on the cap.
Flash and left already.
Wow, fake, bro. That hurts, man.
Next time there's no race.
Vic, this is some BS, bro. You see this guy? Man.
Look, I'm helping you. I'm jacking up.
Oh, wow, bro. Wow. Carl's so thick, he scratched my bumper, bro.
I think your bumper is just
Well, Morgan, like I said, we got rid of the test pipes and now we're putting in the stock hats, and it's just so sad. Dang, big strong man's over here. What? But it should be. Oh, you know what was stupid? We're gonna need to take off the intakes to tighten the top bolts, right? Damn. And I just put those on. Yep. Okay. Well, whatever. Jeez. Look at that. That's when you know it's serious. When Vic has to bring out the fire extinguisher, that's when you know it's serious, bro.
Wow.
That was loud as hell.
Yeah, I have to cover one ear. And the other one's just ringing. Bing, bing.
Yeah, bro. Well, I didn't expect that at all. So, this is it. It's that time.
Finally.
Yeah, where we say, well, besides the going home part, but the time where I say it's done having a tune. It was fun. While it lasted. And now, ow, what the freak, Vic, I'm suing. This hit my head, bro. But we'll be back soon with a VR30. Maybe not Nismo Wheels. Beautiful Chris. But yeah, I have to get rid of this tune so I can run the stock airboxes, so we'll see it. But can I keep my burnout and all that stuff? Like burnout mode and two-step, even though it's not really gonna do anything?
With stock cats, good luck.
Really, that bad?
Yeah, you're blown off.
Oh, well, all right, whatever, it. What can I not do?
It's a stock map, don't beat on it.
What am I gonna do?
You're probably gonna beat on it.
Yeah, the way I see it, this motor's on its way out anyway, so it's like, bro.
I don't think you want to sit up.
Yeah, no, why not? Live life, bro. Live life.
Blow it up.
Yeah, just blow it up. Let's send the rod straight out of the motor, bro.
Look, be putting on a turbo kit.
Turbo, dude.
And giving it 40 PSI.
40 PSI? We should make a video like that one day. I would do something stupid like that. All right, well, I'm gonna just end it here. Like, you guys already know what's happening. I already heard my car. I started it up with stock. I'm not even gonna put it on video. It just sounds like nothing. Like, the fans are louder than my car. So as per usual, if you guys like the video, just make sure you hit like, subscribe. If you're hyped for this VR30 swap, then let's show some love. Leave in the comments. As usual, give me a kiss.